everyone, I'm Maeve Madden and today I'm going to show you my favourite post-workout protein shake. So I'm going to be using a mint Fulfil bar which is packed with 20 grams of protein and it is also low sugar. So we're going to start by cutting off the bar into bite-sized pieces because then it's going to be easier to blend. So once that's chopped up, I'm going to start by adding 2 handfuls of spinach to the cup. The spinach is packed full of iron and it is also 1 of your 5 a day. I'm also going to add some coconut yogurt. And coconut yogurt is a really beneficial way of getting in those healthy fats, which are amazing for your skin. So we're also going to add a little bit of maple syrup. And that is one of my favorite ways to just sweeten foods up because it actually doesn't boost your sugar levels so much. I'm also going to be adding just a little bit of dark chocolate chips, some fresh mint, which is actually really good for digestion. So I would use these to help aid digestion. If you suffer from bloating, these are really good as well. And we're just gonna add in about half of this amount of milk. So I'd say around about 100 mils, but it depends on the consistency that you want. So if you would like it a little bit thicker, add less milk. But if you would like it a little bit juicier and smoother, then add a little bit more. So I'm going for a thicker option. I'm also gonna add in some ice. Make sure to really blend the ice well because you don't want it to be all crunchy in your shake. And then finally, I'm gonna add my high protein, low sugar Fulfil bar. And we are going to blend this all together. I'm going to taste it just before I pour in case I need to add any extra. So minty. So I'm just going to serve this in a glass, and if I have any extra I can save it for later, but that just made one. So that is my high protein post-workout shake using a mint Fulfil bar.